Hello, dear marketer. I'm about to give you the best and biggest email marketing training of the year. If you want to learn how to send mailings with the highest conversions, how to get new subscribers, and how to get free and profitable website traffic, then this training is for you. Download this complete kit now to build and develop your online business, as well as the stationary one, in a few steps. Includes all the knowledge and training you need to succeed. These are 15 modules of the best training this year. In this full training, you are going to get just what you need to succeed in the highly competitive yet also highly lucrative world of email marketing. Put simply, I will step you through the process of putting up a modern email list, one that is engineered to succeed from the ground up. I have trimmed all the fat off. There is no fluff in this training. Instead, you're going to get clear, easy to understand concepts that you need to wrap your mind around for you to be successful. Choose the best marketing strategies that generate 6-digit numbers. Remember, success is in your hands, and now you have a better chance than ever. The training includes 15 powerful modules. As you can see, this is a major training, designed for everyone, no matter if you are a beginner or an advanced marketer. The information contained in this production is for anyone who wants to succeed in online or stationary business. You will also receive 20 amazing bonuses absolutely for free. But that's not all. I will give you a private label rights license that will allow you to resell this entire set and earn a 100% commission on the sale. So click the button below now to get instant access to this best email marketing training course. See you inside.